Welcome, tech enthusiasts and nature lovers. Today, we're diving into a world where silicon meets soil. It's time to talk about how AI is giving pests a run for their money.
Ah, yes, the classic tale of bits versus bugs. Who would have thought that the next agricultural revolution would be powered by algorithms?
Indeed, Tom, we're exploring AI-driven pest and disease management in agriculture. It's like having a tiny army of digital detectives patrolling our crops 24/7. Let's dig in, shall we? Let's start with early detection. Tom, imagine having eyes that could spot a single aphid on a football field-sized farm. That's essentially what AI brings to the table.
Sounds like a superpower farmers have been dreaming of since the dawn of agriculture. How does it actually work?
Picture this: high-tech cameras and sensors armed with image recognition algorithms, scanning crops faster than you can say pesticide. They're looking for the tiniest signs of trouble, long before a human eye could spot them.
So it's like having a team of eagle-eyed interns, except they never sleep, never complain, and probably don't raid the office fridge.
Exactly. And the best part? This early detection means farmers can nip problems in the bud, pun absolutely intended, before they spread. It's precision agriculture at its finest. Now let's talk about the fortune-telling aspect of AI in pest management: predictive modeling.
Ah, so we're moving from Sherlock Holmes to Nostradamus. What kind of crystal ball are we using here?
Think of it as a crystal ball powered by big data. AI systems analyze everything from historical weather patterns to pest life cycles, creating a sort of pest forecast.
So instead of chance of rain, we get chance of aphid invasion? That's brilliant.
Exactly. And this foresight allows farmers to implement preventive measures. It's like having an umbrella ready before the storm hits, except the umbrella is a targeted pest management strategy. Let's move on to how AI is revolutionizing pesticide use. Gone are the days of the spray and pray approach.
You mean farmers aren't just dousing their fields like they're at a giant salad bar anymore?
Nope. AI enables what we call targeted application. It's like having a smart sprinkler system that only waters the dry patches in your lawn, but for pesticides.
So we're talking about precision strikes rather than carpet bombing. How does this benefit the environment?
Great question. By using less pesticide overall and applying it only where needed, we reduce environmental impact, protect beneficial insects, and even slow down the development of pesticide resistance in pests. It's a win-win-win situation.
Mark, all this talk of AI and agriculture has got me thinking. How would this look on a Wardley map?
Great question, Tom. Let's break it down. At the top of our map, we have the farmer's need, effective pest control. This is our anchor.
Right, and I'm guessing traditional pesticides would be pretty far to the right on the evolution axis?
Exactly. They're a commodity at this point. Now, moving left, we'd see AI-driven pest detection and predictive modeling. These are still evolving rapidly.
And I suppose things like sensor technology and data analytics would be even further left?
Spot on. These are the enabling technologies that are still in flux. Now, what's interesting is how this map shows the potential for disruption in agriculture.
I see what you mean. As these AI technologies move right on the map, they're going to reshape the entire industry.
Exactly. And this map helps us understand why big ag companies are investing heavily in AI. They're positioning themselves for the future.
Fascinating stuff, Mark. It really puts the whole AI and agriculture revolution into perspective.
Well, folks, we've journeyed through the fields of AI-driven pest management, from digital detection to predictive pest casting. Who knew farming could be so high-tech?
Indeed. It seems the future of farming is less old MacDonald and more I, robot. Though I do hope the AI remembers to wear a straw hat for authenticity.
And on that note, it's time to harvest our thoughts and head home. Remember, listeners, the next time you bite into a crisp apple, thank a farmer, and maybe a few lines of code, too. Until next time, keep your algorithms green and your robots blue.